Welcome to 3R Light, the solution provider of industrial LED lighting paint booth lighting.
Designed to meet the demanding standards of modern automotive and industrial paint finishing. Every detail of this light is crafted with engineering perfection and a premium finish. The rear openable design ensures effortless maintenance and quick access for internal servicing, without disturbing booth sealing or airflow integrity. This feature makes it exceptionally convenient for routine inspection and long-term reliability. The fixture body is made from high-grade powder-coated aluminum, giving it a rich, corrosion-resistant finish that not only enhances durability but also complements the aesthetics of any professional paint booth setup. Inside, it features true daylight illumination, calibrated precisely 4000 and 6500 Kelvin color temperature, replicating natural daylight. This ensures accurate color matching, uniform paint texture visibility, and defect-free inspection, allowing operators to detect even the finest imperfections during painting or final finishing stages. Equipped with high-lumen SMD LED modules, it delivers exceptional brightness with minimal power consumption. The advanced optical diffuser ensures glare-free, uniform light distribution across the work area, reducing operator fatigue and eye strain during long working hours. The light uses a 4mm toughened glass front cover, sealed with a D-type silicone gasket to prevent dust, fumes, and overspray entry, maintaining clean optics and long-term performance in high-particle environments. The entire assembly is designed for paint booth temperature conditions, ensuring stable performance even under extended duty cycles. The rear openable locking system features stainless steel hinges and knobs, providing smooth, secure operation and long service life. Every mechanical component is tested for strength and precision, making maintenance quick, safe, and tool-free. With its compact, sleek design and excellent illumination quality, this light is ideal for automotive paint booths, refinishing bays, and industrial finishing rooms where clarity and perfection matter most. Experience the brilliance of true daylight, the durability of industrial-grade engineering, and the confidence of a trusted performance light. The rear openable paint booth inspection light, where light meets perfection.